I don't take coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my tires down on one side. You can hear me in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. You see me walking down Fifth Avenue, walking cat here on my side. I take everywhere I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York.
Hi there, my name is Akirito. Now, I'm going to explain the chords. There are basically 6 chords in this song. Well, 2 of which are basically the same. So, actually 5, but okay, don't bother it. I would say 6. So the first chord you need to know is C minor. So it's like bar the second, 3rd fret, and with your ring finger on the 5th fret of the top string. Here, it sounds like this. C minor. The next chord you need to know is F. This is actually higher F, but in this entire song I just use the higher F, so I just refer it as F. So bar the 3rd fret, and with your ring finger on the top 3 strings of 5th fret. Don't touch the bottom string. It will mute the string, so just don't touch it. But you just place your fingers over just top 3 strings. If it's too hard for you, then you can play it with this shape as well. You put your point finger on the 1st string of 3rd fret, and with your middle on the top string of 5th, and like this. Yeah, it's the same. F. So the next chord you need to know is G minor. It looks like this. So put your point finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string, and put your middle finger on the 6th fret of 2nd string, and with your ring finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. It should sound like this. So the next chord you need to know is E flat. This is easy. It's the same shape as F, so just slide 2 flat back. So you just bar the 1st string, and with your ring finger on the top 3 strings. That's E flat. Okay. Another chord you need to know is D7. This is easy. Just put your point finger on the 2nd fret of the top string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And it should sound like this. Yes. So the last chord, the very last chord is actually G minor. I told you G minor up here, but also down here there's G minor as well. I used it, so I will explain. So with your point finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. It just sounds like this. Yes. So that's the all chords you need to know. Now I'm going to explain how you do the the strumming patterns. Actually, we are not going to strum in this song. Well, the things you need is picking. So I will tell you how you do it. I want to use the chord C minor because it sounds good. So it goes like this, So the first thing you need to do is, assign your fingers to each strings. With the thumb, you pluck down the top string, point finger, just pluck up third string, and with your middle finger, the second string, and with your ring finger on the first string. So bottom 3 strings, you just pluck up, but with your thumb, pluck down. So you have to get used to it. And the thing you need to do here in the particular song is pluck the thumb and pluck the 3 bottom 3 strings twice. It works. So it goes like this. So your entire song you just play like that, then it sounds good. Yeah, so if you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.